Ladybugs mean good luck in flying? I certainly hope so. So the last spot was a bit of a bust. Unfortunately, there were people there. I tried flying anyways, probably not the smartest idea. And yeah, I had an unexpected landing that was right next to them as they were sitting at their picnic table. And that's my fault. I should know better than that. So coming out to a different spot. I haven't flown this, gosh, a long time. And I'm really looking forward to it. Kind of gotta look where I'm walking though, because it's definite dog turd zone. But I'm trying out the new JohnnyProps. And the new JohnnyProps, I don't like them so far. You know, I'm switched quite a bit of things out. My motors went from 2306 to 2207, so I gave up a lot of low end. So I feel like I have to ride the throttle a lot harder on the JohnnyProps, and that's fine. They do definitely feel smooth, and so far they've been good in terms of, oh, we got a dog that'll be in the video. They feel good in terms of smoothness, but I like something with a little grunt in the low end, and they do not have that with the low pitch that they are. Anyways, we will see how the rest of the day goes. I guess the ladybugs are not good luck when it comes to FPV. It'll be all right. I'm calling it a day. I lost an arm screw, and quite frankly, along with a few other pieces that are not mission critical, but put some gear at danger. So I'm moving on. The JohnnyProps are interesting. I'm gonna go review the flight footage, see how they actually look. I'll put some in here if I actually release this, because I don't think anybody really wants to see a vlog. But this is a fun little spot, and once I got used to some of the throttle nuances of the JohnnyProps, it was better. There's actually a version of this with a 4.8 pitch as opposed to a 3.8 pitch, and I might give that a shot. They definitely did feel smooth, but I mean, someone told me they felt smooth, so maybe that's just me interpreting that in advance. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see. This has been first impressions of the Johnny Azure prop, and there you have it. See y'all soon. Bye.